Welcome to Flow2K. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the functions in the Flow2K sketchpad. To begin, enter the assessment you desire and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, click on the pencil icon to enter the sketchpad. Edit the name of your sketch by clicking on the highlighted area.
If you're using a tablet without a stylus,
in the toolbar at the top of the sketchpad, click the hand icon to toggle Draw with Finger mode on or off. You should see a notification bar at the bottom telling you the mode status.
When toggled on, use one finger to draw or erase, and use two fingers to move around the canvas. When toggled off, use the stylus to draw or erase, and use one finger to move the canvas.
Use the next two buttons to turn on different sized reference grids.
When turned on, the lines you draw will automatically snap onto the closest dot, helping with drawing straight lines. In this mode, you can also draw by simply tapping on the dots to form lines connecting them. This is particularly useful when drawing angles, like the pitch of a roof. When wanting to end the current line and starting a new one, simply tap and hold a dot for half a second.
On the left side of the sketchpad, use the upper three circles to change the thickness of the pencil strokes, ranging from the thinnest to the thickest. To modify your current drawing, there are two methods. You can use the last two buttons in the toolbar at the top to undo or redo your entire stroke. Or click the eraser button on the left to erase parts of your stroke. Click eraser button again to disable it. Use the lower color circles to change the color of your pencil strokes. Click the Measurements text at the bottom of the sketchpad to pull up the Measurements panel, which brings the dimensions for each of the enclosure components into the sketch view, avoiding the need to flip back and forth between the sketchpad and other pages, making transcribing dimensions from sketch to components easier. What's more, you can turn on or off the Show Completed toggle to let Flow2K display or hide completed components, automatically filtering the list to show only components without fully defined dimensions. This is a useful way to perform in-field QA to ensure all the dimensions are measured and recorded. This concludes our walkthrough of the functions in the Flow2K sketchpad. Thank you for watching.